happened now? What's happened now? What's happened now? What's happened now? Okay, what's happened now? Hey, see, what's happened here? What's happened?
Sorry.
What's happened now?
Why are you running?
Why I not go run? How on a time is on a police? Make a constant Abi. Who does the police the stand?
Relax. We're not here to arrest you. We just want to question you.
Question me, I be CNN, I be NTA.
Shut up, you better be careful, is that clear? If you don't keep quiet, I'll finish you, is that clear?
Oh, you finish me. Now that finish I 1 year now. Finish me.
You know what? Bring him.
Bring us everything. Now make you willis. Bring us everything. Now make you willis.
I didn't ask you anything.
Okay?
Let's go.
Oga, move.
Bring him!
Oga, move.
Why are you joking with him? I better hold him where? Let's go.
Tell me, my. You know, the go shadow for you. I believe you. Kawa.
Let it go!
Where is Shadow?
Shut the collar.
Where did he run to?
Don't move.
You don't want to talk.
Get up!
Where is your hideout? Are you ready to talk?
Get up! Up! Get up!
Bring him up!
I will talk.
Are you ready to speak?
Yes, I will talk.
Will you take us to his hideout? Will you?
Yes!
Let's go. Bring them up.
Get up!
Bring them up!
Get up! Up! If you move, I fire you. If you move, I fire you. Move!
back. Get up! Get up and fight me! Get up and fight me like a man! You have guts, right?
Freeze! Slowly get up. Your hands behind your head. Slowly turn around. You no go try am. You no go try am. You no reach. You know who I be. Now me be Supolamaka, the one and only deadly police officer, the do or die queen. Today, now either you kill me or I kill you, Shadow.
Come in.
Sir.
He is in town. The most wanted criminal. He is in town right now. We have dwelt on this case for too long. It is now time for action. Concrete action. His latest crime, he raped and murdered an innocent young girl. He must be brought to book. Supolamaka.
Sir.
I want this bastard on my table as soon as possible. Yes, he has connections, political connections and friends, but they don't matter. I trust you. I completely trust you and your team. So you go out there and make me proud.
Yes, sir.
Let me proceed. Shadow. Shadow. You threatened me. Me. Your end has come. Your end has come, Shadow.
Come down there. Come here slowly. Shut your mouth!
I beg you, I beg you.
Now me you want use learn how to disappear?
I don't disappear. Get back. Oh God, my leg.
Now because of you then deploy me come this community. Because of you, Zacchaeus, so many people for this community know they sleep.
Don't be begging me that. Why don't you be Zacchaeus? Why do you call me Zacchaeus?
What's your name?
Okay, Chuku. Marefo. I didn't be that.
I thought it's Zacchaeus or Shadow. Even your shadow has left you.
Officer, I'm going to sort out this. Look, now leave me and you know so good day. Make I run you 5 meters.
What did you just say?
5 million. Make I disappear and go where I go. I beg you. I beg you. I beg.
Get up. What did you just say to me?
I said make I give you 5 million. 5 million of small money. Collect that. Go your way, make I go my way.
You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to a lawyer. And if you cannot afford one, the government will provide one for you. Now, slowly, get up. Get up!
We can give it 10 million. 20 million!
I said, get up!
Oh, God.
Do you want your second leg gone?
Okay.
Get up! Turn around, slowly, turn around.
She sabi the work. Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. She sabi the work. Yeah. She sabi the work.
Amaka wani dima oyoyo. Amaka wani dima oyoyo. Tuku gozegi ni yomine melani oyoyo. Tuku gozegi ni yomine melani oyoyo. Amaka wani dima oyoyo.
She sabi the work.
Oyoyo. Oyoyo. They don't know she. Hey, Amaka,
sorry. Please, can I go? I have lectures to attend.
Babe, what's up now? Enter my ride. Mo, they cruise, they go.
TK, why would I enter your ride? If I want to go home, I will use my legs because I am not crippled. If I don't want to walk home, I will enter Keke na Pep. That is called tricycle. What is it? Allow me to talk.
Bookie, like this you don't dey fuck up. Bookie, you don't dey fuck up. Big time! My 001 they talk, you did the cap nonsense. Bookie, enter this ride, Mo dey go.
Just stop it. I am not talking to you. I don't even have your time. Hey, let me tell you, I am not your babe. And I can never be your babe. Stop calling me your babe! You mind your business now. Leave me alone.
Wills!
Senior man.
Wait till they fuck up! Well.
Sorry.
What? You no one allow my bunny to enter the car now. What did they happen?
Bros, not be me.
Eh?
Not be me.
You know I know your profile. And I'm very sure that you don't forget who I be for this campus.
I know you well.
Do well now. Do well now. Do well, bro. Do well.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay? What is your problem? TK, what is your problem in this life? Why are you beating him?
Did I?
No, I'm okay.
You see?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
You don't look okay.
I'm okay.
What is even your problem?
Okay, I said I'm okay.
Why are you intimidating everybody in this school? Okay, because your father is the honorable member of House of Assembly of the state. And your uncle happens to be the VC of the school. So we should all run away from you. No, we should leave the school for you. Right? You go about intimidating everybody. Stop it all.
Yes!
Uh-huh.
Make I tell you one thing when you don't know. You don't tell when be senior Indomie, they no be mates. I never get your time.
Hey, wait, let me tell you.
Bunny!
Make I tell you, no be only you dey streets. Even myself at dey streets. For house, me mama no dey speak English na pidgin with the chop.
Bunny, you don't do the talk, oh. Make I cap you one thing when you don't know. Any bunny when you talk, they go bend down. Oh, how I said they go bend you. I don't look at you, they talk, you they jump. Think I go bend you.
Come, what if your own? See, forget all this English. Myself, I be straight on a normal. Me my mama no dey speak English, na pidgin dey speak. So respect your blood.
I like that one, that should be street.
Hey, don't stop me again. Don't even touch me again. Don't stop me again.
Hey, wait.
What is your problem? Now leave me alone. Don't you advise your friend? Woman don't want to know my boss. Okay, I don't want you. Leave me alone. Therefore, who there for you now?
TK, you see this whiz? This guy face irritates me. TK, make we delete this boy. Make him not say you with her. Una not be mates. You don't tell when be senior Indomie. They are not be mates. Make we delete this guy. If he irritates, you go bend this bunny. That one for you, not be me again. Me will be cute well. TK, make we delete whiz. That guy face no problem. Make we delete that boy.
Guy don't fuck up.
I thought we're moving together. Can you stop working fast? At least these guys are not following us.
Bookie, please. I just want to say this once. You know we're just friends. We don't have there's nothing connected. We're just doing assignments together. Please, you see this constant coming around me for us to work together. Please, let it stop. I'm not comfortable anymore. Please, I beg you.
Babes, what? Sorry, Wheels.
Babes.
What I'm about to say is that nothing will happen. They are not even here.
I'm afraid.
We are safe.
Bookie, I'm afraid. Don't you get it? No, look, those guys may be planning ill against me. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Wheels, it's not even possible. How? They're just ranting.
Do you know who TK is?
See, TK and his friends are just ranting. This is university and it's common. When a guy likes someone or something, you know, he tries to scare people away and protect it. That's it. Nothing serious.
Please, can I tell you something?
Yes.
can we just limit this movement all the time? And for my sake, please. I'm scared. I don't have anybody to...
Take it! Why are you doing this? I promise you nothing will happen to you. Trust me, nothing. We are good, we are safe. Please, let's go before we miss lecture.
Okay, can you not hold me? Please.
Can I not hold you?
Don't hold me.
Morale high. Morale high.
Morale low.
Morale high.
Morale low.
Morale high.
Morale low.
Morale high.
Thank you very much, Supolamaka. Thank you. Wow. You see why I am so excited to have you in my division. Your records are mind-blowing.
Thank you, sir.
And I wonder how you do it. This criminal has escaped my net for so long, and then you came in within this short time and he is in my palms. Wonderful. Wonderful. You are really a talent. You are really a talent in the Nigerian police force, and the IG is proud of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. My team and I were only doing our jobs. That's it. And please, my regards to the IG.
Oh, of course, he will hear. He will.
I should be going back to my office, sir.
Permitted. This is the kind of people we need in the business. Look at the passion. So much passion to serve.
Yes! Yes! We made it! We made it. Yeah. Of course. Truly sad. The case? No, a dead body was found today inside Hilltop University. A young man. A student. He was shot dead. Babe? Let me call you back.
Please. 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 Please.
Come in. Come.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, Eric. Please sit.
How are you, ma'am?
Very well, Officer Eric.
Ma, Oga has been calling your line since, but you are not picking.
I guess my phone should be out of network or on silent, I think.
I presume so.
Yeah.
Please check your phone.
Yes, thank you. Oh. I see it now.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Are you okay? Your face.
I'm fine.
You seem worried, ma'am.
I'm fine, Officer Eric. On your way out, Ask Officer Uju to come. Thank you.
Okay.
What sort of a dream was that? Who was that girl?
Hey, my joy giver. How you doing now? Hope no problem. Okay. Okay. I dey hear you. Oh, you want me to prepare your favorite food, eh? Oh, you no get problem now. Ha. You be my only child. I go do anything wey want make I do for you. Anything talk am I go do am for you, yeah? Okay. I just want make you dey focus so. Dey focus, dey read your book. May nothing confuse you for study, yeah? Okay. No problem. I go provide that for you, yeah? I go prepare that for you, yeah? Just dey focus, yeah? Okay. Bye-bye. Hey. Hey, say my prepare her favorite food, eh? And I no get enough can here. Anyway, my carry this one. Go sell. My carry and go market. Hey, this my need the family. Oh, I don't suffer too much. God. Hey, I don't know whether I go fit sell this one now. And this one small. Okay. I go market, just say this one, no.
Of course I will. I just got to check up. Don't forget your promise. My favorite, of course. Yeah. And you know I love you right back. I love you more. Alright, I'll stop by after work. I love you. Bye. Whew.
I first tell you yesterday, say, you don't tell when Prince Senior Indomie. They no be mates. No one here.
So your mama and your papa send you come school, may you come learn. What you do as you come? You know gree learn.
I dey learn.
And then you see men, as men they do their things. It's not for you to come join men. Follow men, they do things. You decide say na woman you go follow. And they can't be my 001 woman.
mighty TK.
Now you carry.
No, I swear I don't do anything with him. I don't, nothing.
You sabi pray. Say your last one.
Hey, bros, I beg. Hey, I beg. Please, I beg. I beg.
Waste time. Fly. I first say you
Bastard!
Woo! Oh my goodness.
You're done now. Move it. What is this one?
Let me come here. Come to daddy. Drop the life. Eat the fucking life. Woo! Shake it. Oh boy, I dare happy that bastard. Don't go down. Oh boy, I dare happy bastard. Don't go down. I swear. The wheels don't go down.
Nanan the runner! TK! I believe you can. See, won't first come here and say you get room for. Where AC dey? You cool off. That time don't. I beg knock me the room, make I go calm my body. My body dey hot. I go calm my body.
Me will tell you. I know. If you come out now, the first room by your left, my guy, enjoy yourself. AC they on, enjoy.
TK!
Enjoy, bro.
TK! I believe you.
Stay here now.
Yeah, I go. Stand up. Wait in the dance. Give me 1 minute. So give me a minute. Man. Move.
Sorry, bro. Enjoy yourself.
TK. Wetin dey sup TK now? Now let fly, you want give room? Bobby, give me my own room now. Now what for you? What is the soul? I better show me my room. Baby, stand up. Let's go.
Hey. Okay, look at here. If you come out, the first room by your right. My brother, fire down.
I know the room
chilling, man.
Set is show rules many for you, no man. Ready?
make you of course. Ah! Where did this big head go to? It's almost late oh, and I want to go home. The school is almost deserted. Is he even angry because of what I said? But I apologized. I told him sorry. Why is he not picking my call? Do I send him a voice note? Yes. Hello, Wheels, I'm sorry. Please pick up. Where are you? I want to go home. It's getting dark. Oh, Wheels, what is this now? This place too much. Oh. Eh? Where are you? Your number is not even connecting. I don't like things like this, and you know it. You know I don't like things like this. Wait.
Hello.
Hi. Have you seen Wheels?
You mean your friend?
Yes, your neighbor.
I've not seen him. I thought both of you left for school this morning.
Yes, we did. We were together at the HOD's office before he excused me to ease himself. Ever since then, I haven't seen him.
But have you checked his room?
I've checked. He's not there. I've even tried calling him. His number is not reachable.
You were the last person I saw him with. That is in the morning.
Yes, I know. I don't know. Did he tell you he was going anywhere?
No, he not tell me anything.
Did he tell you?
But have you reported it to the security men in school? That is the best thing you have to do now. Just try it. Okay? I know. Take care.
Okay, that's him. Look at him. You see, he has big teeth.
Which department?
He's my friend and classmate. Faculty of Law.
Faculty of Law. Okay. If I see him, I will notify you. Just give me your contact.
Okay, thank you.
But after 24 hours, if you not hear from me, you call the police.
Oh, no one.
Very serious.
No one. Thank you. That's it.
Call the police, so if you not hear from me after 24
but please
hours.
look for him too.
I will.
Okay?
I will.
Thank you. Thank you.
Line still no dey go.
You know they go. I don't know wetin be this thing. I no dey understand wetin be all this one. Abi I do am bad thing.
No now.
I be bad person.
No, my daughter no be bad person. No dey do bad thing at all.
How you go come ghost me just like that? I no do am anything. You no even complain. You no tell me say, okay, see wetin you do me when I no like, and if you do am again, I go block you. You no come lecture, nothing. You won't cause rep for that matter.
No be that young boy wey you and I follow come this house sometime.
Hey now, Williams, wey we dey call Willie, Wheels, all those kind things wey be our cause rep.
Now I come dey worry like this. Eh?
No, I'm not go worry.
You don't report to police, tell they say you dey find your friend.
Police?
Eh?
No, I no go police. So. But I tell those security people wey dey our school. All those people, I tell them say, see you, and I no see Wheels, because everybody know am. They can't say okay, but I don't know that they do anything.
Make they calm down, nothing do am. Nothing do am, eat your food.
Sure. Mama, leave this food, no vex. I go chop later, no be now.
Boki, no be you call me for phone, tell me say, I prepare your favorite food. Say don't tell where you eat am last. Why you can't deny the food now? They reject am, why?
Mama, I know they reject your food. You no go understand this thing. I no even get appetite because I no just dey happy. Now who dey happy they feel hungry now. I never hear from my paddy.
You don't call him parents?
You don't forget. Now orphan. She tell you say you no get papa, you no get mama, and I come dey sponsor himself for school. Those kind things.
Oh, yes, you talk am. Or you try calling in relation now, his sister, brother, or anybody.
Na true you talk, but I no get their number.
I
don't even know them all.
Or you make you chop now. See, you never come out your clothes. You never bath, you never rest. The food I prepare for you, they reject them. Eat now. Nothing go do am.
No man, wait, leave this food first. Abi make I send and text message in case he block my number. Because the thing just they do poo 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 poo.
Abi you want call am?
Abi I call am again.
Oh, call am again. Call am. Call am. He go answer you now.
I don't understand this kind of play.
He dey go.
They do poo poo poo. You hear?
Na true. You know they connect. You know they connect.
Say this is they do.
My father is a honorable member, a politician. I know you know that. And when it comes to this school, the VC is my close person. I mean my uncle, my father's younger brother. You see, this constant rejection of my affection to you really hurts me so much. Come on, I'm coming. I want you to just be liberal with your heart and see, look at me now one day, look at me. I'm a full-grown man. See, I want to eat you. I don't want to die.
You want to eat me? And you're slapping my butt.
Hey, I'm not done.
Am I food?
I am just a love I have for you.
Don't touch my butt again,
It's
please.
it's all right. Now, why can't you just allow me? Money, I have money in abundance. Anything you want. Car, fine lounge, furnish the whole thing for you. I want to make you the hottest chick in this campus. And that's what I'm asking for. Just give me a chance, right?
Thanks, but no sense. I am not interested. I've told you this before and I will keep saying it. I am not interested. I don't want a boyfriend. I don't need a boyfriend. Allow me to just be. I am here to study. I want to focus on my education. Graduate and serve my country just like all the couples we are seeing here. Leave me alone. I've made a promise to my mother and myself that I will keep my virginity till I find the right man. So for now, allow me to be a student in this school. In peace. Thank you. And don't mention.
You're a virgin.
Yes.
Wow. A virtuous woman. Name your price. I want to have that virginity. Any amount. No talks.
Tony, right?
Yes, TK.
Tony, I am not interested. My body, my virginity is not for sale. Leave me alone. Please. Can you tell your friend to leave me alone? In fact, can all of you leave me alone in this school?
5 million. I will make the transfer right now. I'm not joking.
I am not for sale. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. I am here to study.
10 million.
I'm here to study. Leave me
15
alone.
million.
Leave me alone. What is this? Tell him to leave my way. Now. Nonsense. Leave me alone, all of you.
Baba na you. Now you they cause this kind of nonsense. I see how this.
Calm down. I guess she did not.
No, you know pass like this.
Fine bunny, so she needs a big guy. You get?
No, you know pass like this, so.
Stop! Why am I not been calling you? Please now. I've been calling you to stop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please. Buki, I think we should stop seeing each other. As in, let's stop moving together. Please, I like my life. Please.
I like mine too. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have told them that you're my boyfriend. But I don't mean it that way. Besides, we are friends, right?
And so? Look at the way they were looking at me. Why would you tell them that I'm your boyfriend? Please, I'm begging you. I like the way I came to school. And I like my head the way it is.
But they did not kill you. Did they kill you?
But
they can't even do anything.
Didn't you see the way they were looking at me? Please, I don't have power. I don't have anybody. It's just me. And you know this.
I know.
Okay, so this is what will happen. Anytime, maybe, when we have assignments, maybe we can meet and just do the assignment. But working together in this school, please now, I cannot.
You're my friend. You're my only friend.
So why would you tell them that I'm your boyfriend?
Because I just want to scare them away. And you know that's a lie. You know, we're not dating.
So why do you tell them? See,
so
please.
that they will leave me alone. They refuse to leave me alone.
Go and tell them. You have to tell them that I'm not your boyfriend.
No, I can't tell them now. They will start disturbing me again.
So that they will come after me?
They can't. You are a man.
Buki, I beg. In this case, I'm not a man. I'm a boy.
Okay,
please.
At least I'm sorry.
Please,
wait, let me buy you Fanta. I know you like Fanta. Let's go to the canteen. I'll buy you Fanta. I'm sorry now.
I better go, John. This bottle doesn't make you suffer.
This I'm about to say is actually very important, and I don't want you to say the other way around. Wills and I are not dating. I lied. Sorry.
I know.
You know?
Mm-hmm. Let's see, I know you guys are not dating, just that I know you said all of those scare me away. But it's okay. It's alright. It's just that my ego is trampled.
What do you mean? Listen, you're right. I said all of that to scare you away. But Wills is scared already. He's scared of you and your guys. So you people should just stay away from him. I don't want him hurt. Please just stay away from him.
He should be scared. I mean, he should be scared. Well, I've heard,
Not my but. And I've not even accepted to be your girlfriend.
Hey, come on. I've heard, okay? Fine, I've heard, okay? So...
That's what I want to tell you, that's all. Just stay away from him, please.
So, what about us? I mean, he called me out to tell me that you guys are dating. For what to happen, I mean, I should be feeling...
For his safety, that's all. For his safety. He's no longer comfortable around me. He doesn't want to sit out with me. He does not want to do anything with me. The truth is that we are not dating, but we are paired to do an assignment together. So I want him around. I can't do it alone.
If you guys are not dating, come on.
Then stop scaring him. Stop scaring him. I need him around me so that we can work together and achieve a common goal.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, he seems to be around you, as far as I'm concerned. Okay?
I can see that you're not serious in this school. You don't even want someone else to be serious.
I will be serious when you say yes to me. Believe me, I'll come.
Do I pay your school fees?
Come on.
I'm done now. That's what I'm here to tell you.
You know one thing I love about you is when you're angry, my goodness, you look more sexy. Look at you.
Who is this guy?
I'm TK.
Where you from come? What kind of human being you be?
Come here. Come on.
I didn't say I want to date you, please. It's different from what I said.
Okay, I heard you.
Toka.
Bookie, my joy giver. What you see they do here? No be say they read your book. Eh? Any problem? Now because of that your friend, Wales.
Yes, Mama. Remember that guy when I tell you for school now, who they misbehave?
Which guy?
Mama, you say you too they forget, be like an old age. You remember that rich man pikin now where they misbehave?
Oh, yes, I remember. What happened?
Mama, you can't tell Will say today, kiss her goodbye.
Huh?
That can't mumu talk. Mama,
what it be that boy, Papa? What it be self? Remember me?
Honorable.
Honorable. Hey, na big man oh.
Na big man pikin na.
Oh yeah, tell me what happened.
You know say poor man pikin they suffer well for this life. That's why they good make person get money.
Not true now. I know. They tell me.
Be like you don't kidnap Wheels.
Huh?
I feel say my spirit they tell me say you don't do am bad thing. You don't run am dirty. You don't go run that boy street. You know say Wheels no they find trouble. You don't even get money, Papa.
Bookie. I no get money oh. I no get power. I no get connection. I no get person wey go talk for me. Abeg, may you know that accuse person for what you know sure. You sure?
Mama, I go lie for you.
Abeg, you know say this university where you enter, this private university where you enter, na scholarship na carry you enter there oh. From your secondary school to where you dey now. Abeg, you see this rich men pikin, may you know dey near them for school oh. I no get power, I no get person wey go talk to me. Abeg.
Mama, but me I know wetin I dey talk. You know say my spirit no dey lie give me. You don't do Wheels bad thing. You don't do am bad thing.
Shut up your mouth, this girl. How you take no? My joy giver. Okay, my love. Say, night never reach. Don't worry. Let's sleep first. If they break, you go school. Tomorrow, I shall say, if you reach school, Wills go waka come meet you for your class. So often I go sit down inside class they study. He go tell you everything. Oh?
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Trust me now.
I never did this kind restless before. This way you born me. Something never disturb me like this. Even as I dey try make I get peace, I don't feel get peace. I don't feel even chop. Nothing.
No
it just they disturb my peace.
No worry. Nothing do am. Believe me. Believe your mama. Nothing do am. Oh? If you reach school, You go see him. He go tell you everything will happen. Nothing go down here. Oh, my baby. Come, go inside. Oh, go inside. Yeah? Oh, my joy giver. My baby girl.
Babe, please now, babe. Just stay. Okay?
My love, I have to go. Come on.
Please. You know I've missed you so much.
And I miss you more.
Then I want you to spend the night with me.
Oh, babe, listen. I promise I will spend all weekend long with you. I'll miss you more. I know what you're trying to do. You want to keep me here. No. I have to go to work. Oh, damn. Oh, I know what you are trying to do, but you work. I need to go, please.
Okay, fine. You won.
My phone. Officer Oju.
We were alerted by the school security. He was shot multiple times.
What time did this happen?
We were just patrolling this night and we saw his corpse here.
That means this happened during the day.
Was there a shootout during or after school hour?
No, not at all. I don't think so.
I see. Okay. However, you both will need to go with us to the station. Relax, there's no problem. We just want you to go with us for further questioning. To assist us, arrest the culprit. Okay?
Okay, officer.
Officer Eric, I'll need to know everything about this institution. I want to know all the bad guys, the forerunners in this campus. All the frat members, their meeting days and their meeting points. I also need you to call an ambulance. Let's get this body out of this place.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Of course. Truly sad. The case? No, a dead body was found today inside Hilltop University. A young man. A student. He was shot dead. Babe, let me call you back.
Please. 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 Please.
father tomorrow.
Hey! I rebuke you. I rebuke you, Shiamaka. You started again, no? God, what kind of daughter did you give to me?
Mama, I am serious. Daddy should stop chasing bad boys and leave them alone. They will kill him. His colleagues will betray him.
Get inside. Get inside, Wish. This is how you say your headmistress will die, and it came to pass. God. God forbid, God forbid. This guy started again. This man, pick your call now. Pick your call. Eh? What kind of man is this? Pick your call, Andrew. I don't know why I married this man, no. Eh? I don't know how you use sweet on to lure me to this marriage. They want me, oh. This girl.
What is it?
Shiamaka, your father has refused to take his call. In fact, he has not replied my messages. I've called his friends and they said they will call me back, and since then I've not heard from him. God, I'm too young to be a widow.
Mommy, just prepare your mind. He will not call back. He will not reply your message.
Shiamaka, Mommy, I should prepare my mind. Shiamaka, now you listen. Shiamaka, if I look for my husband, if I look for my husband, your father, Shiamaka, I will show you the part I'm made of. In fact, you will not like my actions. I will. Shiamaka, I will deal with you.
Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Mommy.
Sorry for yourself. Don't sorry me. Obanje, I know you are an Obanje, and I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you, Shiamaka. I should prepare my mind. I should prepare my mind to be a widow. Shiamaka, you're not a good person. Evil child. I have always known that you are an evil child.
Mom, I only saw my father lying dead at the police headquarters.
Shiamaka, it is your husband that is lying in the police headquarters, not my husband, your father. Did you hear me? Shiamaka, what have I done to you? I think the holiday is over. Now we are going back to Enugu. Nonsense.
No. My school will resume in 3 weeks' time. Well, I'm enjoying our village.
Shiamaka, we are going. We are leaving the village. You have done enough. Good morning, my angel. How was the night?
I'm fine. Daddy later called.
Yes, so he called when you were asleep. He even called this morning, but I told him you are still on bed.
Okay.
Hey. He's calling your father.
Oh.
Hello, Yom. You say? I'm Nena Marian Obi. What are you doing with my husband's phone? You say my husband shot dead. Hey! No!
Mommy, please wake up. Uncle!
Power from the east, from the west, from the south. Yes. Only Michael. My sister. You see, you have the gift right from childhood. You see things before they happen, but the problem is you do not have the power to stop them. Only Michael.
Prophet.
How do I find this young girl? I believe she's alive. I do not know. But I shall try and find out. You see, it's our faith. But only prayers and sacrifice that can make things which is hidden to be unraveled. You know what I mean, Officer Maka?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
I will see you to the door.
No problem. Let's pray.
Good. So, where are you guys?
Son, do you know the young man that was killed in your school?
Someone got killed in my school?
Yes, your uncle called. He broke the news that a law student was killed. And the corpse is lying down in the school premises.
Your department precisely.
I don't know. I've not heard of this. I'm just hearing it from you people.
Well, the police, they are doing their investigation already.
Son, please, I don't want you to go out this time. You have to stay back at home.
Fine. But that will not restrict my movements. Yes, the person involved that got killed might be a cultist, or maybe they are fighting for something. But that singular act will not restrict my movements. I have places to go to.
Right. What I understand there is that your mother just wants you to be very, very careful at this point in time.
Exactly my point. You need to be careful.
Father, please, I have somewhere to go to. I can't afford to miss that place.
It's okay. Let him go. But you have to go with escorts.
Fine. Fair enough.
Now, why your body dey shake?
Hi, Mama. My body just dey shake. Because I feel so wrong.
And your body dey hot oh. Wait, I dey come. You get one medicine when I get. Mama, I will take this. Hold this one first. You go feel am. And then I will give you. Mama, you know Willie, my friend now. Now will you introduce me give this medicine? No. He say anytime when I know we make her just take her, see my body go just dey kakaraka. I go wear. So if you drink anana, as you don't chop, you go don't wear. If I come back from school, yeah?
My daughter, I know want me go school. Get us my body they do me. Get aside the feel. Get aside the feel inside me. I beg.
Mama,
no go school.
I beg. I used to beg. You won't talk to school, yeah? I don't go sit down for us. I want to go school. I get lectures. And I don't want to miss them. Oh yeah, do your hand. Sorry. Hey, that's the body they want to. Easy. Do. You need more water.
No.
You should say you go drink more again.
I don't want to go.
Mama, they come make I keep this one.
That's my body they do me. That's how they feel.
Mama, as I don't give you this medicine, you go away, yeah?
Okay. No. Get aside the feel. I know I'll make you go. I'll make you stay. Or make me and you stay. Tomorrow you go start school. I beg you. Get aside the feel. Okay. Get aside the feel. Get aside my body. They told me. I know I may go. I want me to stay home with me. Tomorrow you go start. I beg you. No go.
Mama, you they feel like this because you know where. You see, you know Willie now. Wills, he never even call me since yesterday. You know call me, you know send me text message, nothing. And my party, I beg, I want go school. If I not see her for lecture, I go come go in hostel, go find and know what's happen. I don't know what they worry down herself. You go just you know go even check up on person.
Okay, my daughter, you know you are my only child, my joy giver. I get aside the feel, stay with me.
Not sick, they sick, you go where before I go come back from school. Oh yeah, see I don't wash clothes, I don't sweep house, I don't clean, I don't do everything. So if I just come back from school now, I go pick can, sell, I go do everything for you, food day, yeah?
I know I may go.
Mama, I beg, don't do it. Okay,
you'll be my only child.
Wait,
go.
Make I tell you something. Now, be like you don't forget, say your pikin love you. You don't forget. You don't forget. I dey come. Yeah? Before you go even need anything, bam! I don't come back. Yeah? Oh, yeah, smile. No, they sick. I go soon come, yeah?
Go.
Take care, yeah?
Officer, any information?
Yes, we tried to engage with the deceased neighbor, but nothing serious.
They said he was seen with a girl. Maybe his classmate or perhaps a girlfriend.
Did you get a good description of the girl?
They are not certain. I think they are afraid.
Afraid? You know what? We'll hit the campus in disguise. Okay? No guns, no kids. And we'll try to make today positive. You both, you cover me. You stay back in the car. Do not forget your kids should be in the car. Okay. Let's go.
She's a baby walk. She do her job diligently. No mistakes, very smooth like she is meant for it. Police work now her thing, oh. She be master for the game and she do it diligently. She the work, they impress the people. She sabi the work. Amaka sabi the work. Police work, they have blood in her hair. She know they make mistakes, cause this is what she do. Hey, she sabi the work. Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. See Amaka, see police work. They standing side by side, like she's born to do this thing. Sabi the work. Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. smooth like she is meant for it. Police work na her thing, oh. She be master for the game, and she do it diligently. She dey work, dey impress the people. She sabi the work. Amaka sabi the work. Police work dey her blood na yeah. She know they make mistake.
Hey, what is the meaning of this? Eh? Are you people blind? Can't you see? Eh? Can't you see? Oh! I didn't do anything.
Enter inside us.
I didn't even say anything.
Omo, no be I go lie for you. No be cut boys kill this nigga. Mo no be like say you no know wetin happen for this Stamford Bridge. For this Stamford Bridge. No dey do like say you no know wetin dey happen. I dey tell you, Wiz, we no be rugged guy, correct Jew guy o, Jew guy for that matter. No be cause rep him be. Wetin concern cause rep with captains na? Omo, this guy dey explain me o. Aje, this thing shock me, guy. How this guy dey yesterday dey write assignment na? Yesterday, no be just yesterday. The guy even promised me say he go carry me go meet Professor Maranzu. You know say I no write the man test. Them say he go help me go meet am so that the man go help me make I write am. Now today now I dey see for WhatsApp group say the guy don die. How? Person I meet yesterday, just yesterday. Now all these people wicked o.
I dey tell you, na woman kill am na. Na woman.
Oga, forget woman matter. Leave nothing concern Man United and Chelsea. We no dey pretend like say we no know who run this matter. We know who knack this shot for this school. Inside this Stamford Bridge now, we don't. You don't whine me? You don't know say no justice for poor man pikin. Poor man pikin no get nothing for poor man. E don be. Say who no know say person dey put eye for bookie. You know say as bookie yansh dey, those the capital of the guy. Somebody say how? You dey whine me?
Shut up! I told you. Turn him out! I told you. I said I'm going to have you. And now, you are finally in my bedroom, yes! And I'm going to have you for you right now. Hey, are you mad? Hey! Open it! Bookie! 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 Bookie is dead. What are we going to do?
This girl is so stubborn. Let this girl lay now. We can take this thing gently. She had to kick me. This guy hits me for broncos. Oh boy, I fucking get confused now.
See, we got to wait till nightfall so that we'll get rid of the corpse.
You dead serious, so? What did it worry you? You want to keep this corpse here till evening? Like, really?
Both of us know say right now it's very hot outside.
Okay, calm down. True talk fly. True talk fly. We don't already dey aware say police dey campus now on a normal level. Investigation is going on. Eh? We cannot do anything on the broad daylight. Never. Now what for you?
We have to wait then.
It's not too hot. To hold it.
key. I said she don't know how much. She don't lose.
Anyway. Oh, this medicine work well for my body. See, it works sharp. Hey, I don't well, oh. I don't well, oh. Hey. My daughter don't wash all my clothes. Spread them for me before she come out. She a very strong girl. I know, I train her well. Now my daughter now, she never tried to walk. Hey. It be like say, I go call Lam now. May I know whether he don't reach school. Go meet a friend, Willie. No. Make I leave them. They fit dey inside class, they study now. Yes. May I go bath now? Go my business. May I go pack cans? Hey, God, I beg you. Make I get plenty cans today why I go sell. Okay, from T Junction, I go T Junction first. Go that place where they do children's party. From there to that place where they do wedding. Yes. Enough can today. May I go they pack my can. My business, I beg you, I go back. Bookie, wake up! Bookie, wake up! You don't have time, wake up! Okay, I'm talking to you. Stand up from there. Why am I here and you're lying down there? Wake up! Wake up so that I can come back! Okay, wake up! I am talking to you! Okay. Let's do it this way. I am going to lie down back so that you can wake up. Then we walk together. Bookie, wake up! You don't even have time! Can you hear me at all?
Auntie, are you okay? Auntie, what happened?
Come inside! Come inside or say son, I wait with this one. Listen and listen very good. If you ever
Son?
Mom.
Where are you rushing to?
Mom, I want
What's
to get
this
some...
on your shirt? Is this blood?
What? Blood?
Why is blood on your shirt?
No, this is not blood, Mom. This is red wine I was drinking, and no, it can't be blood. Look at it. I'm not injured. See, I'm fine.
It's fine. It's
red
fine.
wine, yeah.
Has Emma finished cleaning up your room?
I don't worry, my friends are there, so she'll come back later and do that.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you need something, anything like money or any other thing?
Mom, I need your car. Okay, I want to go somewhere very urgent. But believe me, it's not club.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, I'm very sure. Not club.
Okay, you can come later and collect it in my room.
So thoughtful of you, Mom. I'll just go and change this dress, okay?
It's okay.
All right.
say what you just saw, I'll kill you.
I don't see anything.
I'll kill you. Do you hear that?
I just want
Now listen. You know I know everyone in your family, right? How you do anyhow then? Well, how you do anyhow then? I will whack each and every one, including their shadows.
What are you doing here? Huh? How dare you come into here without my permission? Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? Huh? Are you mad? Did you see anything? Did you see anything? Get it down. Get it. Chill.
Oh yeah, close your eyes.
Wait. I'll come on for you. Come on for you! You some fat stuff for your body. What you don't make this. Carry your nonsense, the waka. I'm gonna wrap this girl. I don't know why we leave her like this. Come on, this one, please.
Now.
Why are you running?
Why not go run? How on tell me so on police make I come stand abi? Who they see police they stand?
Relax. We're not here to arrest you. We just want to question you.
Question me I be CNN, I be NTA.
Shut up, Oga! You better be careful, is that clear? If you don't keep quiet, I'll finish you, is that clear?
Oh yeah, finish me. Now that finish I 1 year now. Finish me.
You know what? Bring him.
Bring us everything. Now make you Willis. Bring us everything. Now make you Willis.
I didn't ask you anything.
Oga?
Let's go.
I don't go anywhere. Oga, move.
Bring him.
Move. Oga, move.
Why are you joking with him? I better hold him well.
Let's go.
Why not go just block me like that? Since one just block me anyhow. When I free make I dey go now, make you release. I don't know who kill him. I don't see one Scottish for my hand. I don't see letter, no crusher. Nothing. I just carry me consider for here. Aunt they bat me, make I go waka come up for here. I not try me.
So you insist you do not know who killed him? Then we'll just play you a conversation you just had with your friends on campus. I understand the fact that you're scared for your life. This is new to you, I presume. But you have nothing to worry about. If there's anything I can tell you is, the police is your friend. We're not here to hurt you. We just want you to help us. Okay? Tell me, Melo, who killed Williams Okapo?
Now the English way they use tell me say police is your friend and they vex me pass. And they annoy me. They provoke me. You not go do the work where government pay you, not be to investigate. Now me want you start am. I don't know wetin do Willis. I don't know who kill Willis. Nothing concern me concern the matter. You just see me they go do my normal and quampi level. You just carry me come bell up me for here. Wetin dey go on now? What's going on here? So now guy you get weight now. Now come on this 20 kg.
Will you cooperate?
Now tell us the cause of his death. Tell you as how. Somebody say as how. Nah, which can tell you I be current affairs. Now me won't use everything. Okay, come on this 20 kg from my shoulder. You get weight now, officer. Wetin na the same ones way you carry. Oh Jesus. Carry your hand there, two pieces for me to come out. I don't know who kill this. I want to make her go rest. One time is the hungry me. See, I'm eye the blow. Don't can you come below me for you. Say with that. This one carry 15 kg they put my shoulder. No, come on the shoulder now. I need my lawyer.
God, those who make you pull your blood. If you don't tell us the cause of this thing, we will hate what in police will do your body. We will enter you water.
Officer Eric,
Yes, ma'am.
let's leave him be for now. I think the culprit is a very fearful person. I presume he's very scared of you.
What? What do you mean he is dreaded or feared? Who is he? Eh? Listen, the Vice Chancellor wants him brought to book at all cost. And that young man under your custody, you must make him speak. Yes, you can make him speak. This is you, Polamaka. This is you, I trust you. Make him speak. No stone should be left unturned. Okay? Do your job.
Yes, sir. Permission to carry on, sir.
Permitted. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Dreaded person. Who is he? Not under my watch. What is this?
No mistakes, very smooth like she is made
Feared.
for it.
Feared by who?
Police work.
Nima.
Madam. Yes, ma.
What is wrong? Where are you tensed? Are you okay?
No, yes, I'm fine. I'm very, very fine.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm very fine.
It's okay. Go inside and get me a glass of water.
Emma?
I said go inside and get me a glass of water.
I'm sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. I'm coming.
Is she okay?
Make yourself comfortable. Please sit. Be right back.
Thank you.
Come on, you have nothing to worry about.
Even when I thought they worry about anything, my first day here. But why you choose to be police? You know, see civil defense, road safety, fire service, important forces. You know, see I'm joined. Now police or lockba, you want the collect Woji uniform they wear. It's nothing.
To answer you, everyone has a passion. I also have my own passion. To serve, to protect, and to bring crime to a full stop.
Sorry.
Well, This is not ethical. I mean, bringing you to my house. Trust me, it's very unprofessional. But I did this so you understand that the police is not just your friend, but your brother, your sister, your mother, your father, above all, the law. You see, there are many ways one can extract information. I mean, by torture, by interrogation, and by so many means possible. I choose to bring you here. I chose this means. Do you know why?
No, how?
Relax. If I wanted to do anything to you, I would have done it already. You're in my house, don't forget.
Man, that is the worst part. Proper now.
Okay. You know why I chose this means? You have a very bright future. And as the law, it's my duty to protect that very future. A bright future was also cut short. A young student was murdered. Williams could have been your brother. I mean your blood brother. He could have been your best friend. In fact, let me bring it home. It could have been you. Malo. My late father gave his life for this service to protect this country. And he died doing it. Guess what? I'm willing to do so. I am willing to lay down my life to protect you. I am ready to protect your future. I need you to see me. Not as a police officer, but as your sister. Your cause rep, Williams, needs justice. And you need to start talking if we are to find his killers. So talk to me. Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
I'm Superintendent Amaka Obi, and these here are my colleagues. We want to see your daughter, Miss Buki Okoye. Please, if she's around, could you call her out? We just want to have a word with her.
I hope no problem. Because police never find my daughter come here before. She in a good care.
Understandably. But ma'am, there's no problem. We just want to ask her a few questions.
She cannot go to school since morning. She want go see her friend Williams. I dey even dey call in line. She no dey pick.
You sure she went to school this morning?
Yes. My daughter come back yesterday, come dey cry, dey worry. They tell me say in dey find friend the Williams. He tell me say both of them dey waka, dey go. Williams tell her say he want go pee. As he go pee, he come dey one corner, dey wait for am. Come stay. He no come see am. He come dey call in line no dey go. Now he come dey worry, dey cry, come back. But I tell am say make no dey worry, make dey calm down, say you go see am if you go to school today. So early morning around 7 o'clock, he comot, say make you go see am.
What you're invariably telling me is she's in school as we speak.
Officer, I don't tell you. They go to school. And the line no dey go. Now in school, you go see Williams now, in friend. Now inside school, they go, both of them go see. They go there inside lecture room now, they study. I sure say. Yeah.
It's okay, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
What? Son of an honorable member of the State House?
Allegedly, sir. He is the prime suspect. According to the information we're able to gather, we're told that his name is Tony Klein, alias TK. We're told that he wants this particular female student, but the deceased obviously was an obstacle in his path. So, he had him eliminated so he can get what he wants.
So what about the girl? I mean, the girl in question?
Well, no one has seen her. Her mother complained that the girl had gone to school and hasn't returned. Even her lines are switched off.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Sipolamaka.
Yes, sir.
You know I trust you very much. But this case is beginning to look like a high-profile case. So we need to be very careful.
Yes, sir.
We have to be sure of every bit of the facts so that we do not make mistakes and so that we do not cross our lines and
Yes,
our
sir.
limits. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, the girl, we need to get her because it's crucial. Her testimony will be crucial to this case. And the TK or whatever?
TK, sir.
Get him.
I will, sir.
I'm sure you can, yes.
Yes, sir. Permission to carry on, sir.
Go ahead. Son of an honorable member of the State House. That's very serious.
Babe, come on. I've got work. Yeah. I saw your missed calls and I saw your messages. That too. But I knew I was going to revert. Come on, you're crazy. I'll make it up to you, I promise. I'm at work right now. I'm in my office. You know what? I'll call you right back. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Ma,
Yes.
we carried out the massive arrest as you instructed.
Okay.
You need to see this guy.
Let's go.
What is the meaning of this? I don't understand why you are here.
Madam, your son is under arrest for conspiracy and murder of a young male student of Hilltop University, Faculty of Law to be precise. He must come with us.
Are you joking? Is something wrong with you? What do you mean? Mother? Me? I don't smoke. I don't drink. I mean, I don't go to clubs. I I need to be seen in the public domain. What are you talking about?
Stop, son, stop.
No. I need to ask her. Do you know where you are?
Officers, my son in a murder case? That's not possible. I have to make this call. You have to hold on. Which division are you from?
A division.
A division. We know the DPO there. Hold on. Hello? Honey, talk to me.
Hello, my friend.
My dear, you can't arrest my son. It's not possible.
That's not the point. Yes, Honorable. Yes. But Honorable, you know, he confessed to have killed the young man.
That's not the point. I don't want to be linked with a scandal. I'm an honorable member of this state. Hold on. I'll give you 10 million naira. I want the case silenced right here and now.
Okay.
It's alright, she's around.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You refused to leave my woman alone. And you sent boys to kill him? How dare you? Please, Father, please.
Okay, how dare you?
What is it that I've done that you people have not done worse? Huh? I only took him out of the way, period.
Can you hear your son? Can you hear the nonsense he's vomiting from his rubbish mouth?
Tony, what is wrong with you? What's this?
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You are only but a lucky son of a well-respected politician. If not, you should be rotting in jail. Nonsense.
Tony.
What?
Even if you have to do such, you would have removed yourself completely from it. Do you know that the hired killer confessed that you are the one that sent them? He even exposed your chat with him to the police. And that's not nice at all. It doesn't tell good of you. It's not a good one. Johnny! Johnny! Are you working out on me?
Supol Amaka.
Sir.
This is an order. It is an order that I gave to you.
But sir, this is evidence. He paid those boys to kill the student. As we speak, Buki is also missing.
I said drop the file. It is an order. Don't you understand? Listen, there are people in this society that you cannot afford to step on their toes. We're talking about the son of an honorable member of the State House.
And what about that, sir?
Huh?
Does that give him the right to commit murder and other related crimes and perhaps get away with it and go scot-free? Come on, sir. The student he killed, he's somebody's son, somebody's blood. What if it was the honorable son? Trust me, the earth will shake, heads will roll. The media and everything's space will be choked with bloody news, sir. But just because this student isn't from a political or wealthy background doesn't mean we should just throw away the case and allow the murderers go free and perhaps release the prime suspect.
Supol Amaka.
Sir.
Supol Amaka
Sir.
Ebere Obi. You're just telling me that you no longer obey my orders. We are talking about a high-profile case. And I gave you a simple instruction. Step aside. Step aside. Do not go further on this case. How clear can I be? How much clearer can I be? Leave my office, and before you leave, drop that file. I am done with this conversation. I am done with this conversation. Leave my office.
Permission to carry on, sir.
Drop my file as you leave. Get out. I said drop my file. Supol Amaka, bring back the file.
Stop, man.
Gosh!
Mom, let me drive you home.
No! I'm fine. I'm fine.
Take it easy, ma.
I won't let this go. I will not let this go. Ajay, I no go let him go.
Babe, can you just calm down, okay? Just calm down.
I no go let him go. Ever.
Babe, can you just calm down, please? Please, sit, okay? Babe, take it easy, okay? Please sit. Babe, you need to follow the last one. He's your boss, for Christ's sake.
I don't care. I don't freaking care. I need to arrest that bastard. That murderer. I need to make him pay for taking the life of a young student. He cannot get away with it. This is my passion. This is what I was born for. Some people, they just enjoy immunity. They think they are covered, so they do whatever they like. They think they can get away with everything. Let me tell you something. The life of a newborn baby born in a poor home is equally as important as the life of a newborn baby born in a wealthy home. Everyone deserves to be respected and served equally. I do not care where they are from. I don't care who they are.
Listen, babe. I know you want changes in the system. But you need to understand that things don't work like that. It can only happen in your imagination and not in reality. Corruption is the order of the day, and there is nothing you and I can do about it.
Then someone needs to rewrite this story. Someone needs to sit up. Someone needs to make a change, stand up for what is right. There is something I can do about it. And if it takes me to lay down my life, I will.
Just calm down.
Sergeant Amaka sabi the walk. She sabi the walk. Yeah, she sabi the walk. She do her job.
Honorable, your son must not leave the country. I have taken this case to another phase. Release him to me for questioning.
Officer, first of all, who gave you the audacity to barge into my compound the second time after your superior had said you should leave my compound?
Your son allegedly paid for a student to be murdered. Secondly, a female student linked to the deceased has been missing. Both crimes are linked to your son, sir. Release him to me now.
This is too appalling. It's an insult on our collective faces. You coming here to arrest our son? It's not possible.
Madam, your son is not more important than the student who died. I am here to arrest your son, to interrogate him, to question him. Release him to me now.
Never. That will and can never happen. And by the way, who are you? Such a peasant officer coming to make orders in my own house? I want to respect the law, otherwise I would have walked you out.
Honey, it's better you call back the DPO.
Call.
Now listen to me! Supolamaka, listen to me. This is your DPO talking. Now, if you do not want to incur my wrath, listen and listen very good. That place you went to, I don't want you to go there again. I said, do not go there again. It is an instruction from your DPO. For you to progress in this career, you must learn to respect ranks. So I am talking to you, I'm giving you instruction as your DPO. Amaka, Supolamaka, listen to me. Shut up and listen to me. Listen to me. There are toes you do not step on. Yes, and this is one of those toes. So respect yourself. The fact that you are doing well, the fact that you are being praised, does not mean you go haywire and do whatever you like. You no longer respect authority. DPO is talking to you and you're talking. This is your last warning. Amaka, this is your last warning. Don't ever go there again. Thank you.
Where are you now? Come to bed, baby.
This is our job, eh?
Baby.
This job. Baby, I'm coming, eh?
Baby, we are waiting.
I know, just a second.
Babe.
Just a second. Yeah, hello, sir. Don't worry, everything
Babe.
is... I'm coming, don't worry. Everything is on course. Yeah, not interfere. Yes. Alright, Honor. Thank you. Hey, sweet babies. Sweet babies. Come on. I'm ready for you, baby.
Is anything the matter?
What happened?
No. Nothing. Madam, you say you never hear from your daughter till now.
No, I never hear from her till now. And I hear say they keep person for their school. Oh. Since that time, my mind just cut. Since I heard that bad news, I don't go to their school. They don't allow me enter. I don't know why, yo.
You mean say you never call her line?
In line, no, because since police, anything happen to my daughter, God I beg, make nothing happen to my daughter. Now my only pikin, now my joy giver. God I beg you. In Papa leave us when she dey small. I can't carry on the suffer sis. I beg.
Madam, no worry. Nothing don't happen to your daughter. We go help you find her.
Police, are you sure?
Brookie is dead.
What? How did she find out?
Remember the dream she told us about a certain girl a few days ago that she had, you remember?
Yes, I do.
Good. That girl is Brookie. That is why she was shocked when she saw her picture on her mother's phone in the afternoon.
Poor girl. Wait a minute.
Does this in any way have anything to do with the honorable son?
When we do our job, we find out. But for now, we are restricted from having anything to do with the honorable son. Indeed, a fruit does not fall far from the tree. I assume the same thing as you did.
Hey, what's wrong with you? What's up, bro? Yeah, bro. How did it go?
We have discarded the body.
Yo.
No believe our footage.
I know, bro. I know.
It took us all night to do that.
That's good. That's good, Lisa. I mean, you should have called before coming to my house. You're not supposed to be here, right? Don't worry. I'll talk to you later, okay?
It's okay.
What's up now? What's going on?
You are owing me. You dey owe the cartel.
In dollars, not in euros.
For doing away with the body. I mean, cleaning up your mess once again. TK, you are owing the cartel.
See, I appreciate what you do for me, okay? But this is not enough for you to stop me. You're not supposed to be here in the first place. Come on. can always talk on the phone now. What's up?
Alright, TK. See you around.
This is what you called me. Stop blocking my way.
TK. Don't go.
It's more than enough.
Type shit.
I know what you have. Sorry.
Something wrong with you.
No! No! Police! What you dey tell me? You tell me say my joy gift and my only daughter is dead. What are you telling me? Are you telling me say no my daughter? My only hope now I see for pushing the police down to me, police! Don't to me! No, I don't want to believe him. Oh, no be my daughter. No be my Bookie. Bookie! Bookie, where I go? Where the Bookie? Hey! No! No, don't tell me this. No! Bookie, where are you? Bookie, where are you? Bookie! Bookie! Bookie, where are you? No, tell me that. I don't believe him. No, I don't believe him. No, police, don't tell me that. Stay there! If you move, you're dead.
What is the meaning of this embarrassment? What is the meaning of this embarrassment?
Shut your mouth! Now to the car. To the car! Move. Your legs.
I don't understand. No. This way. I don't understand. What is this one? What is Officer, what is this?
Officer Eric!
Yes, ma'am.
Search the car.
What is this one? What is this embarrassment, officer? What do you do? Stop it, keep quiet. What did I do you?
You don't understand the meaning of embarrassment. Wait till you get to the station. Do you know who I am? I am Supola Makaubi. Where is TK?
What is that? Is that the name of a person, a place, animal, or what did they call him?
It's obvious you learnt your nouns really correctly. Where is TK?
I don't know what to be TK.
Where is TK? Are you mad?
Wait a minute, son now. Wait a minute, son. Who be TK? Wait a minute, TK. I don't know what you talk, officer. This one, I don't like this embarrassment too.
I am talking to you and you're still shouting. Do you want to die? Move them!
Get up! Get up! Get up! Jump up! Move it! Move! Get in! Talk, I need talk. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
The other car. Officer, be with me in front.
I don't understand. What happened? My son?
Son?
No. Okay, you know what? I am coming to the office immediately. My son arrested?
Darling.
No.
What about our son? Darling!
Our son? Arrested? For what? I am offering you 20 million naira. I want the case to end right here now.
No, Honorable. No amount of money can keep a crime hidden or buried in my sight. Your son is linked to 2 murder cases. He must face the law.
I've heard so much about you. Superintendent Amaka will be blessed. Every man in this life has a price. And every human has a need. And it is that money that can solve almost everything. I am an honorable of the state.
Exactly. That's why you should uphold justice. You speak of the law which you make, yet you cannot uphold it. Well, Honorable, your son and his friends will be arraigned in court next week.
Well, do not say I didn't come for this negotiation. I have tried for safe landing.
I am an incorruptible officer. Your son and his friends must face the law, Honorable.
Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. She sabi the work. Yeah, she sabi the work. She do her job diligently. No mistakes, very smooth like she is meant for it. Police work na her thing, oh. She be master for the game, and she do it diligently. She the work, they impress the people. She sabi the work.
His 2 friends confessed. He tried to rape the young girl and he killed her.
Let me have the file.
Sir?
This is sir. Did you just say sir? Huh? Let me have my file. I am the DPO here, not you. Nonsense. Is it your case? Eh? I am the one that assigned you to this case. You did not assign it to yourself. Now, you quit doing anything concerning this case. It's now in my hands. I am now the IPO, I am the DPO, and the IPO of this case. Do not touch anything concerning this case forthwith. Besides, you are suspended. Yes, 3 weeks suspension for insubordination. Gross insubordination. Now leave my office.
Yes, sir.
Leave my office! Get out. Nonsense. Look at her. Because I am praising her, she now thinks that she's a Spider-Woman. Ta! Come and handle the case, let me see. I'm the one to report to IG, to the area command, to IG, to whoever. What happened? Not you. Nonsense. Honorary Superintendent.
Can you just imagine? Eh? Look at what she did to my son. That stupid police officer of a girl. Eh? Look at. Oh my God.
I will teach that girl a bitter lesson for humiliating me and treating my son this way.
This is extreme. You need to do something.
By the time I am done with that girl, she will not even know when she left this earth. I will kill her. I definitely will.
You have to do it, darling. You have to do it. What's all this? Eh? How dare she inflict injury on my son? I don't even know why all these poor, wretched people, they always hate the rich. And that's the reason they will never be rich in their lives.
Well, Dad, all I want and ask for is for you to deal with that bastard. That police girl bastard. We leave her her job, okay? And see that she ends... In fact, we need to end her life. Period.
Make sure he goes to the office.
You have nothing to worry about. Trust your father.
Make sure you take him to the hospital.
No problem. He will be taken care of. Son, you have nothing to worry about. You have to trust your father. He knows what to do. All you need to do for me is to calm down and take care of yourself.
there from this one.
That's what I'm doing.
Before you will not tell me that you did not know, you cancelled everything.
Oh, you're not
I will not help
serious.
you.
Why won't you help?
No.
What are friends for?
If not for inconvenience.
But we have to finish this.
Oh, okay. Better.
God, I can't
So
wait.
that you will not tell me now that, hey, ladies first, after men.
I know, but they said ladies first.
That is what you always say. It's just an excuse.
Really?
Yes.
You know a gentleman. Once I'm done with this, I'll be so glad.
Food don't dare radio. Make una come chop.
That's true.
Since una dey read book, since morning una dey read book.
Mommy, not now, yeah. We'll chop later. May we finish this thing.
My future barrister. I know say you know they like food. Leave Willie, make you come chop.
I answer for yourself, Nana. You know.
Wait, you know they feel hungry? Yeah, because I dey see am for your face.
Don't worry.
Oh, I know say you dey hungry. Make you come chop,
just let me. I see this your daughter.
Yeah.
Mama, this your daughter is not.
I know
She's not friendly.
Me.
I came all the way from my house to help you.
No, but you're doing yours as well.
I would have done this at home.
No, I would have done mine alone. But we are good. We finish this one first.
I beg you, talk for yourself.
No problem.
So you
Mama, are you hungry?
No mind now. You don't tell where una dey read this book. Make come chop.
We'll go finish am later.
I know say you dey feel hungry. Leave am. They come chop. I get plenty food.
Stay there, finish it.
Yes. You are not serious. Wait for me now. My daughter. My only daughter, my joy giver.
Suspension? But why? What did she do? Oh God, this is pure corruption. I mean, but of course we cannot do anything about it. We are under a strong oath to obey the last command.
I envy Officer Amaka. Yes. She is so fearless, bold, strong. I fear they will do more to her than they have done. You see, she has stepped on toes. A lot of toes. This particular case, I tried talking her out of it, but she wouldn't listen. She is very strong-willed. She was hell-bent on this case. Now see.
All is justice. But then we need to watch her back for her.
Of course.
Babe, I warned you about these people. I warned you. These people are operating with impunity. Yes. Fine, I know you can handle this, but please, I just want this whole stuff to just end so we can just live our normal lives. No problem, babe. Listen, babe, I'll come see you now, okay? So we can sort this out, please. Okay? Yes. Alright, no problem. I'll be with you shortly.
Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. She sabi the work. Yeah, she sabi the work. She do her job diligently. No mistakes, very smooth like she is meant for it. Police work na her thing, oh. She be master for the game, and she do it diligently. She dey work, they impress the people. She sabi the work.
Mom, wait! Wait, please. Amaka, I'm leaving. Oh, sorry I didn't tell you about my preparation. My brother, your uncle, asked me to come over.
Mom, why? Please don't go. We've been together all these years. You can't leave me now, please.
Amaka, you can't stop corruption. You cannot stop corruption. Your late father tried everything possible to stop it. Instead, he died. Your father died. Amaka, why? Why have you chosen to break my heart? You could have become an ordinary woman. Live an ordinary life. Does it mean I will not achieve anything in my life? Hey, Amaka, tell me.
Mom.
Don't call me that. Have I not been taking care of you? Have I not been giving you whatever you asked me for? Huh?
Mom.
Wait! I am not born yet. I raised you up. I carried you in my womb, Amaka. And this is what you're paying me back with. This is the lifestyle you decided to choose.
Come on. Why are you doing this right now? This is the life I want to live. This is who I want to be. Why can't you just understand that? I want to be able to serve and protect my people. I want to fight for justice. Mother, I want to curb crimes. This is me, please. Allow me be me, please.
Not in this ugly world. Not in this corrupt country. Your father tried it. Your father did it. But what happened? These people will come for you. They will kill you. They will come for those ones you love most. Do you want to die?
Mom, can you stop? Can you stop saying all these negative things to me? Can't you just wish me well for once? Please, enough. This is my career.
It's okay. Since this is what you're telling me to my face, there's no problem. Any day you decide to remove this thing you're putting on, let me know. For I will never live in the same roof with you while you answer that name, officer. Never will I do that. I am leaving. Goodbye.
Hello.
Yes, Honorable. Yes. You want him released? Yes, I will do that. He will be released. Yes, trust me on that. All right, Honorable. Later. Okay. Sergeant, I want you in my office immediately. Sir, Joshua, release him.
Sir, I should.
Are you about to question my instruction? Oh, no, you want to behave like her in my presence? I said release him. Go and do as I instructed immediately. Go.
Sir, but...
Sir. It is an order. Leave my office.
Madam Buki? Ma'am? Mama Buki? Ma'am? Ooh. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello, good day. I've been coming here for a couple of days. The occupants of this house, Mama Buki, I haven't seen her. I've been coming here severally to no avail. I mean, I even called a number. No one is returning my calls.
Oh.
Have you seen her?
Mama Buki?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Mama Buki don't die now.
What? How?
You know say them kill her daughter. So 2 days after the daughter died, we can't see her dead body for her room. They say she take poison.
Oh? Oh my word.
Now wetin can happen, but no vex. Who you come be now because we never see you before. Now her friend that be sister. Which one?
The family friend.
Okay, family friend. Now wetin happen? And that woman na better person. She no dey like wahala at all. As the daughter die, we know say she no go survive am because she no dey use her play. She no dey carry Buki play at all. Innocent woman. She don't go. She no dey again.
Police, I want justice, oh. I want justice. I want justice. Police, Mama Mary, help me. Catch the person of this light for me. The person where do this strong thing to me. They kill my joy, my only pikin. They kill my only pikin. Come kill him, friend. Join them. Police.
It's
Police,
okay, ma'am.
Police.
Please stop crying.
As you see me now, I don't come out for this world though. I feel die at any time. Now their body now they see so. You know they see human being again no.
Madam.
I they run mad. They run mad. They don't kill my joy. My only pikin. Police.
Madam, I understand that you are in a lot of pain, but I need you to calm down. I am here with you.
My joy.
You will not die, madam. And together we'll seek justice for your daughter and her friend.
I notice I go endure them.
what a jet. Someone is in a romantic mood. Baby, I love this. Oh my god. Oh, you got tired of waiting for me. Is that a ring? Oh my god. Baby. Yes, Manuel, I'll marry you. Babe. 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 Eric, please help me. Please come. Come, please, come quick.
So guys, just enjoy yourself. Come on. Enjoy yourself. Have it all. Whoa.
The Honorable. Nice one. The Honorable. Yes. First Lady. Sit down. The First Lady.
Yeah, the only lady that will be old without growing old.
Oh my God. Thank you.
You are a good man.
Thank you.
A good officer. I'm happy we're in this transaction together.
What can I say, Honorable? Your wish is my command. Anytime, any day.
I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Drink up.
Yeah, sure.
And I want us someday to just go out and unwind.
Oh yes, sure. I'm available anytime.
Yeah,
but
I understand.
We have to arrange it properly so that.
I understand. In fact, it has to be out of town.
Definitely.
So at least once in a while you have a holiday, vacation kind of.
Oh.
Why?
Oh. You're a businessman. You're a real businessman.
Oh, thank you very much, DPO, for everything.
Thank you, First Lady.
It's like I missed out on something.
Oh no, it's
no men's talk.
Oh yeah.
Ah, where I saw it, I got the sign.
Come in. Yes, I did. Go.
Sir, what are you trying to do?
You look so beautiful and sexy.
I'm not sexy. I'm cooking food for your mother. Please, can I go?
You are cooking food for my mother.
Yes.
The food can burn. In fact, the house can burn.
You said my son did it again?
Yes, ma.
According to you, this is the fourth time.
Yes, ma.
Go to your room and rest.
Ma, my legs are hurting me.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just go and rest in your room.
Alright, ma.
Ma'am, I am very sorry for your loss.
It's fine. We are investigating the case.
There's no need to bother. I will fish out the perpetrator myself when the time is right.
Ma'am, we sincerely want to extend our condolences to you.
Thank you, Eric.
Okay.
Take up this first.
Yes.
I want to be in charge today.
Oh, so what are you saying? That I am the one always in charge?
You know you've always been in charge, but today...
Oh, thank you, baby. Yeah. Okay.
Here we go, baby. Just wait.
Oh, okay.
There's no flesh. I know you don't like flesh.
I don't like flesh because I have a lot of flesh.
I know, my chubby baby. Where's that salad? I think it's...
Don't worry, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
You
don't like this one? No, there's just little flesh. Babe, you're so dramatic. Me? Rebecca? Yeah. Sip some. Hey, baby.
I'm good. Just sending a message.
Let me help you up.
Help you. Oh God, the best.
Hey, baby. Babe. Babe. Wake up, okay? It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Wake up so you can go.
6 a.m.
Yes.
Okay.
I know you don't want to wake up. Come on, wake up, Jerry.
No, I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
You have to wake up, okay? I don't want you to go late.
Can I not just go to work today?
Oh, fine. Go.
I want to stay with you.
Hello.
Come to bed with me.
Babe, sit up, okay?
What?
Your clothes ready? You have to go and take your shower now, okay? Breakfast is ready.
You did all that for me.
You know you're special to me and I'll do everything to make you happy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now.
Babe. Hey, naughty girl, stand up.
No, please. Please.
Alright, go. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
No.
Okay.
It's okay. Oh my God. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. My angel, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my God. I am here now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I heard the news. The kid man. I said it. They will definitely come for you. You are too good for them. You are too good for them. Oh my God. As for the death of Manuel, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. He was a nice man. So my daughter, how are you? How are you doing?
I'm fine, Mom. I'm fine.
How are you? Amaka, I'm not fine. I am not. You are broken again since the death of your father. I strongly believe you will not let this slide.
How about your husband and your son?
They asked me to come and convince you to leave the country. Amaka, leave the country for the sake of your mother. Leave the country, I beg of you.
I must make them pay. I must hunt down the killer of Manuel. I will avenge the death of Buki and her boyfriend.
And who is Buki? Amaka, please leave whatever you are doing in this town and leave this country. If you want me to kneel down for you, I will do it. Please, my daughter, leave this country.
What are you trying to do? You want to blackmail me emotionally? Not now, mother. Not now. Please.
Amaka.
Please, just stop.
Amaka, come! Come back, Amaka! My God. What is this? What is happening to my daughter?
A thorough investigation is ongoing on the matter. You're already aware of that. I'm really sorry for your loss. You don't deserve it. You don't. But don't worry. Everything will be okay. That is how life is.
Here's my official resignation letter, sir.
Come on, Supolamaka. Why? You just returned from suspension. Why this?
I have decided to leave the country, sir.
Oh, really? Oh. It's alright. I can see your mind is made up. I wish you all the best. You are really a warrior. You're a good fighter. We will surely miss you. We will. Yes.
Permission to carry on, sir.
Okay. You don't allow me. She doesn't even allow me to do.
Shut up!
What are you doing and what is wrong with you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, I don't know. I have been vomiting and I'm having cold feet.
Ima, are you sure you're not pregnant in my house?
Ah, Ma, no, I'm not pregnant. Hey, I'm not pregnant though.
It's okay. No problem. Clean up the mess. I'll call the doctor to run a test on you.
Me, pregnant. I swear to my God, I have nothing to do with any other man. It's TK.
Tony, you slept with her?
What? Yes, she is right. Even at that, yes, I know I go into her sometimes when I need her. But she's not saying the truth. I'm not the only one climbing this network here. What about the gate man? The drivers? They climb you at will.
I swear to God Almighty, I have nothing to do with my colleagues. It's TK.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! See, I am not responsible for whatever you have in that belly, alright? What is all this blackmail for? You want to belong to this worldly family? Is that it? You nitwit.
Tony, how could you? How could you sleep with her? How could you descend so low to sleeping with our house help? For what?
You know what? You see you. Get rid of that bastard you have in that belly. I am not responsible, right? Rubbish.
Tony! Emma, I'm not sure my son is responsible for this bastard in your stomach.
Ma, I know what I'm saying. It's TK. I know what I'm saying.
In that case, you have to abort that bastard. You have to remove it.
Ma, I've never done abortion before. Ma, please, I'm begging you. Let me leave your family. I'll go far away. I will never come back.
Will you shut that asshole you call mouth? Shut it! Oh, I now get it. So that you will come back one day with a baby?
No.
You want to be a member of this worldly family?
Oh, Ma.
Oh, I get it now. You want to tell the whole world that a son of a wealthy politician impregnated you and left you? You want to blackmail me? Blackmail my son? Cause scandal? And spoil our reputation? It is not going to work. You are a real joker.
Ma, please.
Stay there, family.
Please let me leave your family and go. I promise I will not come back. Ma, please. Please. Ma, please.
What is Take! Collect it from me! Oh yeah, swallow it. I said swallow it right now. More water. Good. You can now go to your room. You are done for the day. Go and sleep.
No. No, not you. Not you, no. Not you. No. Not you, please, not you. No.
Hello? Yes, I want... I have vowed to take her down. Yes. I want her off. Do your job, man. That's why you're there. Do your job. I want this young officer to be unalived. Yes. I don't care. Good. Good job. All I want is just continue. Continue stalking her until you get her down. Yes. This girl. You're playing with the wrong honorable. I will teach you the meaning of pain. Real pain. Superintendent Amaka will be blessing. Ooh.
Tell me, what happened?
Nothing, it's just like I told you. She claimed that our son impregnated her.
And then you killed her.
Me? Kill her? No, for what? No, I only gave her some pills to take care of the issues.
She died. Don't tell me. She died?
Darling, this is not what we should be talking about now. We need to put our heads together and find out how to fix this. Let's do something about it.
Hear yourself. What do I tell the people? What do I tell the parents?
It's a small thing. You just tell them food poisoning. Yes, I got it. We can tell her parents that she got pregnant and tried to abort it. That's it. Small thing.
Now, where's Tony?
Huh?
Where is Tony?
Oh, Tony. He stepped out with his friends.
What do I do? What do I do now?
There is no order for crying out loud. This is a small thing. The deed has been done.
Oh, looking for this? Don't even dare it. Stay right there. So you're aware. You're aware the bloody honorable placed a bounty on my head. He killed my fiancé. He killed my mother. You are aware.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you are talking about. How did you even get in here? Huh? How did you get in here? Are you aware that you're not going to go scot-free?
Of course I know. But I must do the needful. FYI, I captured the killer. Of course you should know I'm smarter. Unmask yourself. Now. Now! Don't move. Unmask yourself. Remove the face mask. Remove the nose mask! Now!
Finish. You're always lucky. My charm doesn't work around you. See this thing right here in my neck? It's very potent, but it don't work for you. I don't know why. You know, I was released from the prison, and I was paid heavily so I can kill you. But the thing is, everyone I have mentioned knows about this mission.
Even the DPO?
DPO is just a puppet. He works for the Honorable. The DPO was paid hugely. I work for them. I work for those people. The thing is, I am not a kidnapper! I was only paid to kill you!
Why did you kill my fiancé? And now, my mother.
The question is, why not? They are victims of circumstance! They die on the battlefield. That's how it works. I know I'm not gonna leave you alive. Why don't you give me the honor and kill me now that you have the chance? Yes. Take my life!
With all pleasure. Thank you for the information. Slowly get up. Get up!
I'm your DPO.
Go that way. Go backwards. Get up. Move it. Move it! Go back. Move it. Down, down, down.
Listen.
I said down.
Let us talk.
Down! Go down.
Amaka.
Go down. Kneel.
Amaka,
I said kneel down.
You can come and do the cleanup. Now.
I have destroyed it. Though it did not capture your face as expected, I did as you instructed.
Ma, I am so sorry for your loss. The DPO, I did not expect him to be that terrible. Although I know him to be very mean, but not to that extent.
It's okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Ma'am, you have to be very careful.
I am careful.
About the Honorable, how do you intend to go about it? Even though you have enough evidence, you know the politics they play. You can never succeed.
Well, this is me. Justice. Fighting against crime, intimidation, and oppression. I know even if I avenge everything done to me, I will never be healed from this pain. But at least it's a start.
Please, I insist. You still have to be very careful.
Hi! Get from the club?
Oh boy! Timaya never see Uku when she take say Uku. Wait till she be student?
I'm not sure say she be student for this school. I never see her before.
I dey come today. I am coming, I'm coming.
Baba dey go, now your free food be this. Fly. See shade. See Uku.
Yeah, for my master's, just a few months from now.
Oh, wow, that's really cool.
I love your column. And your dentition. He's really nice.
Thank you. I got this from the US. Thank you.
That's nice.
So, I don't know if you don't mind. Can you put in your number here? I could call you for a hangout.
No. I don't give up my contact.
Your place? That's strange.
My place is not far from here. Just 2 blocks away. But if you're not cool with it, it's fine.
Oh, no. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. I can come over. So please, can I have your number, please? I will call you.
It's fine.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Joe. Yeah. I want you to tell the manager that I'll be coming to the hotel tomorrow. Yeah, I have a meeting with someone. It's okay. Just get back to me when you are done, okay? Thank you.
Hello, Honorable. I am fine. Honorable, I've been waiting for you. Please, can you just hurry up? I can't wait to see you, baby. I'm waiting. My honorable.
Look at you.
Honorable.
Just let me adore you. You are sumptuous. You are alluring.
Thank you.
Look at your smell. You smell so sweet.
Thank you.
Come on this way.
My honorable.
Come on, sweetheart. So pleased to meet you.
Do not be in a rush. I'm coming.
Oh, I can't wait.
Just pull up, okay?
Oh.
My honorable.
Yes. Yeah. I'm ready for the big deal. Oh.
Turn around! Slowly!
Huh?
Shut up!
Who are you?
Sit down! I said sit down and shut up! Here.
My son. My son.
He's with me. Right now, you need to cooperate with me. That is if you want to stay alive. Do you hear me?
Me, I cooperate. I will cooperate. Anything you want, I'll give it to you.
You have to cooperate with me. I am taking you to your son.
Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt my son. I'm ready to give you money. As much as you want.
Shut up! You can only be alive if only you cooperate with me. Do you hear what I said?
Yes, I will. What am I supposed to do with this now?
Comb it and put it on your head.
Huh?
Wear it!
Okay. Okay. I can't breathe.
Now listen. If you make any silly move, my men will kill your son. I am ready to die. We are ready to die. But you can only see your son and your wife if you cooperate with me. Do you hear me?
Yes. I'll cooperate. I'll cooperate.
Good. In 10 minutes time, someone will take you out from here. You better cooperate. Wear it.
outside. Move.
I'm cooperating. Please don't harm me. Please don't harm me.
Fast!
Move. Dad?
Oh, shut up. Please, I am ready to pay anything. Don't harm me. Don't harm my son.
Sergeant Amaka?
Amaka!
What?
Amaka will be blessing.
You know, most of you think you can practice evil and get away with it. You forget that in every individual, there's an element of evil. And the power to choose between good and bad is embedded in everyone. You chose evil over good. Today, I share in those same choices. I am choosing evil. This is the fruit you bore. Your son, he killed Wheels and Bookie. And you, my fiancé Manuel and my mother.
Please forgive me. Please do not harm me. Do not harm my son. Please don't.
I am very sure my mom pleaded the same way you are pleading. Forgiving you is not a problem. But both of you, you will have to join those you took from me. Now, get into that ditch.
No.
I said, get into the ditch. I will not repeat myself.
No!
Stand up. Let them stand. Let them stand. Get up. I said, get up.
Get up! Hey, get up.
Please, I beg you, please. Please. Any amount, please. We're ready to pay, please.
I held the lifeless body of my mother. Today, I'll give you the privilege to do same, Honorable.
My son. My son. My son. Please.
Bury them.
She sabi the walk. Yeah. She sabi the walk. She do her job diligently. No mistakes, very smooth like she is meant for it. Police work na her thing, oh. She be master for the game, and she do it diligently. She the work, they impress the people. She sabi the work. Amaka sabi the work. Police work, they have blood in her hair. She know they make mistake, cause this is what she do. She sabi the work. Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. See Amaka, see police work. They standing side by side, like she's born to do this thing. She sabi the work. Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. She sabi the walk. She sabi the walk. She do her job diligently. No mistakes, very smooth like she is meant for it. Police work na her thing, oh. She be master for the game, and she do it diligently. She the work, they impress the people. She sabi the work. Amaka sabi the walk. Police work, they have blood in her hair. She know they make mistake, cause this is what she do. She sabi the walk. Sergeant Amaka sabi the work. See Amaka, see police work. They standing side by side like she's born to do this thing.